Today, I'll walk you step by step through installing and customizing the Astra WordPress theme, the perfect choice for anyone who wants a powerful, fast, and flexible website. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have Astra up and running, know exactly how to tailor its look, and feel confident about making it your own. Let's jump right in. First, we need to install and activate the Astra theme. This part is straightforward, even if you're new to WordPress. Go ahead and log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your home base for managing everything on your site. Once you're in, look over at the left-hand menu and find Appearance. Hover your mouse over it and a submenu will appear. Click on Themes. This will take you to the section where all your installed themes live. Now at the top of this page, you'll see a button labeled Add New. Click that. We're about to access the WordPress theme directory, which is like a library filled with thousands of free themes. You'll see a search bar, just type in Astra and hit Enter. In a moment, the Astra theme thumbnail should pop up in the results. Hover your mouse pointer over the Astra theme. Notice how an Install button appears. Go ahead and click Install. This might take a few seconds, so don't worry if you see a little spinning wheel. Once that's done, the button changes to say Activate. Click Activate, and just like that, Astra becomes your new site design. It's kind of like changing a new outfit for your website, instant transformation. Now with Astra ready to go, let's make it your own with some customization. This is where you get to infuse your site with your style and brand. For this, we'll use the built-in WordPress customizer, which gives you a real-time preview of every tweak you make, no guesswork involved. Navigate back to Appearance in your dashboard and this time select Customize. The screen will split. On the left, you'll see a customization panel, and on the right, a live preview of your website. This is your creative playground. Let's talk about the different options you'll see. Under Global, you control the DNA of your site, things like your color scheme, typography, overall layout, like choosing between boxed or full width, and how buttons look. For example, if you want a modern, spacious feel, try the full-width container and a crisp sans serif font. These changes will apply everywhere, keeping your site looking consistent. If you click Header Builder, you can select or upload your site logo, adjust your main menu, and choose how prominent you want your site title to appear. Think of the header like the front porch of your house, make it welcoming and clear. Moving on, the Footer Builder is where you finish strong, a spot to add widgets like recent posts, a copyright note, or even a mini navigation menu. This is the grand finale for every page and a good place to put essential info. If your site includes a blog, pop into the blog section to adjust layouts for posts and archives so your articles display just the way you like them. And for those of you who want to guide your readers or add a widget, the Sidebar tab lets you tweak sidebar positions and what appears in them. Explore each section, and remember, the changes will update in real time on your preview, so you'll never be surprised by the outcomes. Take your time, nobody gets every detail perfect on the first pass. And when you're happy with how everything looks, don't forget to click the blue Publish button at the top to save all your hard work. That's it. You've just installed and customized the Astra theme. Nicely done. If this was helpful, please hit the like button. And if you've got any questions or get stuck at a certain point, drop a comment below. I always do my best to help out. For more WordPress guides and smart website tips, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.